Markets had been under pressure for weeks, but in recent days the picture has started to change quietly. Messages from the Fed, capital flowing into Bitcoin ETFs, and moves on the institutional front. When combined, they point to a renewed recovery base forming in the crypto market. Let's start with the macro side. The U.S. Central Bank, the Fed, kept interest rates unchanged in the 3.5% to 3.75% range and described the economy as solid. This message is important because it tells the market there is no sudden tightening for now and decisions will move forward in a data-driven and gradual way. This removes, at least for the moment, the scenario of sudden pressure on risk assets. In this environment, the crypto market has started to breathe again. Over the past 1 to 2 days, total crypto market capitalization has recovered back into the $2.6 to $2.7 trillion range. Bitcoin and major coins have turned positive. The most notable detail is on the institutional side. U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded net inflows worth hundreds of millions of dollars. This means that despite short-term volatility, big players have not completely exited the market. On the structural side, there is an even bigger story. The U.S. is strengthening its role as the institutional center of crypto. ETFs, banks, regulation, and custody services are increasingly concentrated there. Meanwhile, Asia and Latin America are standing out in usage and payments. In other words, the market is becoming split into two parts. The West, institutional capital and regulation the East. Everyday use and adoption this balance creates a very healthy structure for the ecosystem in the long run. In addition, large VC funds and corporate investments have not slowed down. Although prices do not fully reflect this yet, long-term positive energy continues to build on the infrastructure side. In short, there is no sudden shock from the federal ETF inflows continue. Institutional and structural news flow remains strong. Short-term volatility may continue, but the recovery seen in recent days gives clear signals that the foundation of the crypto market is strengthening again.